It has to be. This is a short fuse, so we have to be positive.
Oh gosh.
Let's
We got
wait.
some structural deficiencies here.
It's all right.
Wait for it.
Yeah, we'll wait like even after we think, cause you know.
Doing good.
Okay, let's hold it up so it has a little bit of a oomph before we let it go.
It's ready.
It's ready. Go for it.
Fire in the hole.
Oh God!
That's.
This is so. Oh God!
Yeah, this mortar better go off.
This is awesome.
That is a pretty cool looking anything.
It's working just like we designed it. Let's just hope that it does. Come on, baby.
Alright, let's go. Alright. It's inside the mortar.
Whoa!
There it goes.